mom. So there'll be a big figure of the mother over here and a girl who's going to school or a student. So you only need normal pencils and eraser. I'm not going for professional pencils. I know not all of you have so high graded pencil and stuff. So let's start. So first I'm going to start by drawing the student. I'm just going to start by drawing a circle over here. You can obviously pause the video if there is any problem. So I'm just going to start by drawing a circle, not the details at first. As you can see, there. And then I'm going to give some details on her hair. You could make it a bit different. There. And then she has a small pony here. Let's give her a small, she has short hair, so she'll have a small, hairstyle. What will we do? Okay, it's too up. I'm gonna be a little down. Okay. So now I think we have this. So this is a pencil sketch or cross shading or cross sketching though. So the hair won't be having cross sketching. It's gonna look ridiculous. So I'm gonna do it like this. If there's a problem, we could draw a very light circle over here as first a light, and then there. Maybe I have a tendency of erasing a lot, so please ignore all that if I'm erasing a lot. I think I should have gone for darker pencil though. I have two pencils, one sharp and one blunt. I like doing it with blunt though. So here, from here, it looks like it's pulled. And I'm gonna go for the blunt one to make it dark. Just make this in such a way, the circle, so it's not supposed to be seen. It looks very bad when the circle is seen. Okay, and then we make it lift up here. So I think the hair shading is done. There you go, see? There? Okay, you can make it a bit more circle over here or make it a bit more short. So then she'll be having a small scarf over here, maybe for the cold. So have it know that where her shoulders will be. Well, let's make it this much. And then we're gonna make the scarf. So then we have a curve over here. A curve. Add too much. There. A curve. And then we're gonna start from here and then go up. And then join it. There. Maybe it's a bit too pointed over here. Make it a curve. There. Trying to make it very easy for you guys. From here, let's just make it a bit up. There. Okay, just a small little line and color it. There. Okay. And from here, I think it's easy enough. Okay, we'll make it just a little small. It's getting a little too big. Up, there, to her shoulder. So now we know where her shoulders are. So we'll start by drawing her frock part. There. And from here, this part may be a bit tough, but I'm trying my best to make it easy for you guys. There, 2 curves, and then we're going to just draw a straight line from here. Not very straight. Let me make it a bit more in. There, and then a straight line. And then we're going to make the waist. There. So, and then we're gonna join this. Now, I think we'll draw the belt, maybe from here or maybe from here. Matters on how much you've drawn to. Okay, so this part needs some erasing at the end, okay? And then we're gonna draw a sleeve. There and over here. I think the shoulders look too wide. Just make them a bit there. A curve. Okay, so we've done till there. Make it a little wide, yeah. There. So now we do the hand. To make the hand simple, I'm just gonna there. So now to make it simple, line. Make a line. Then one over here, okay? And then make sure you don't make it too big, so make her look like a big grown up. Okay, I've got a line over here, and a curve or maybe a line if it's difficult. I'm sure you guys will be okay with that curve. Okay, make it a little small. It's looking too wide. I think we'll make this part small too. If you want, you can make this part a bit more wide. Wait. There. I'm sorry for so much erasing though. I think we've done this much. As per her skirt, at the first it looks a bit bad, but after finishing, it'll look good. So we'll make a round, very slight round though, and then a stand. Then it's not gonna be like this. I'm gonna do another skirt over here. So there, line, and then you leave a little gap, and then line again till this. Join it. Okay, I know how bad it looks, but I'm just showing you what I wanted to say. There. And then, or actually a bit more slight in. There we go. And make this short, so it's gonna end over here. So it actually looks like her foot's going like up. She's walking. Make it a bit. See? Now the skirt looks better than expected. I know. Okay. So let's go with this hand. Just a smooth line. Curve. Yeah. And then a blink up. Then there's another line over here. We'll make this a bit better. I hope it's looking nice. Okay, problem. Ha. Here's a problem. Okay, and then from here we'll join it. Okay, there. Then. Okay, so this hand needs to be a bit more wide. guess. So we've done it. Then we have got the legs. So to do the legs, it's not difficult as it seems. Two, okay, like this, and then we will do line, okay? No, a line, it's a curve, and then just two straight lines. Make it a bit inside, and then take it another curve, or maybe like an oval shape. If you draw an oval shape, then do it like this, and then erase it. There. So then the other part to make sure the from here, just border it off. I hope it's not very difficult. Please let me in the comments if it's getting difficult. We'll just slightly twirl this part, and then we're gonna do socks. There. Okay, it's a bit too big maybe. And then we're gonna show the foot that's a little far, so it's gonna be quite small. So, okay. We need there. We've got this, and then we have to make the shoe. Just a curve over here to there. Then got it. So there we go, we've done it. Cross shading. Okay, I think we're done with the figure of the girl. So I guess we're done with the figure of the girl, is it? Okay, so the detailing part. I hope this is not very difficult. I'm trying my best to make it easy. There. So we're done. I guess make it a little wide. Just gonna border it off a bit. There. And now cross shading. I will try to make it very easy. So just draw lines like this. We're here. So we are starting with this part. Okay, and it's shrinking, getting small. There. Cross shading is just like this. Crosses like this, and this is how you do cross shading. So we will, it's like shrink, big, big to shrink. Yeah. So now as cross shading, it's done like this. It's even more done clumsier and faster, but I'm showing you guys. That's why, and then just there. I hope you're clear with cross shading if you're new to cross shading. When I was new to cross shading, I tried and then I could do it. So I hope you guys can do it. So there, we have lines here and then cross it off. You can pause the video anytime. I hope I'm not very fast, going very fast. Oh yes, we forgot detailing the skirt. Just go with a round, or maybe not that round, bit round. And then we're going to do a standing line. Over here round, and then there, and then another round. So there. Now small cross shading. So we just need to make it close, not so far distant. It needs to be clumsy. You don't have to do that matching line. Okay, then cross it off. Making this deep, okay. There, and then cross shading, lines. I'm not doing with the sharper pencil, it's just making it too light. I think it would be better you use it for sharp pencils for drawing and then shading, maybe blonde. But if the sharp pencil writes dark, then it's okay. It's completely fine. I hate it to be so pointed and slim in these parts because it really gets light. There. Now we're gonna do the whole of this part. So actually you don't have to do like this. You can just go scribble it off like this. It won't come in so much of eye. It won't look bad. Then cross. But this thing needs to be quite parallel. And it doesn't have to be so straight. Okay, so now this whole part, you can see, should be straight. So just go in one, scribble, and then there. It's just cross. Go cross it off like here. Okay, now we're gonna just a small parts over here. It off there. Okay, I hope this much is done. And then shoes full crossing off. Yeah, blunt pencils can get light sometimes, like mine's. Just cross it off. Okay, then here I don't think a lot of cross shading is needed, but let me do it. It looks good like this, but what about doing it like this? It won't look bad either. There, and then a bit right here. There. So I think we're done with the student. Making it a little bit deep to make it clear. Make it deep. Okay, so we'll make this visible that it's a bit up, and then just small curves. You don't have to do so much detailing over here. There. I think we are done with this. Okay. So I paused the video for a moment. Maybe you can notice some changes. I'm sorry. The camera got tired. Okay. So I'm very sorry that I couldn't do the mom over here. I hope, you know, for the mother, we're gonna make another video. So it's a part 2. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it. And I'm sorry, yes, I'm sorry that I have to do a part 2. I can't show it in the first video. The camera got tired, as I said. So thank you for watching. Bye.